Would you like to help your child make the K sound? I'm going to show you how and where the K sound is made so you can practice making it with your child. Children who have trouble making the K sound often make a T or D sound at the front of their mouth instead, like this: tat, dat. It's good to describe the K sound to your child as a first step. I call the K sound a popping sound because we pop the air out. I also call it a back sound because of where it's made in our mouth. Also, the camera sound because of the sound of a camera shutter click. To make the K sound, first we need to get everything in the right place. Your child needs their lips and teeth slightly open, tip of the tongue down below the bottom front teeth, and the back of the tongue lifts up to the back of the mouth. Then we pop the air out like this. You try it. If your child is finding it tricky to get their tongue in the right place, they may need to physically hold the front of their tongue down at the beginning so the back of their tongue can go up. Sometimes lying on the floor and trying the sound can help the back of the tongue to lift, and your child can get the feeling of lifting the back of the tongue up. Try making the K sound in the mirror with your child. Stand so they can see their mouth and yours. You can mix it up with some other speech sounds and some silly sounds like blowing raspberries or making funny faces to keep it fun and light. Doing this twice a day at teeth brushing times hooks it into your daily routine and helps you to remember to do it. If you'd like more structured support with helping your child make the K sound, check out my K sound course at speechteacher.co.nz. This is a video course where I use a proven, evidence-based method that teaches you everything you need to know to get your child making the K sound with confidence and ease in their everyday talking.